Let's see what is the difference between Windows 10 versus Windows 11. Windows 10 has a simple and classic design. Windows 11 has a modern and stylish design. Windows 10 has the Start menu on the left side. Windows 11 has the Start menu in the center. Windows 10 works well on older computers. Windows 11 works better on newer computers. Windows 10 uses live tiles in the Start menu. Windows 11 uses widgets instead of live tiles. The taskbar has a traditional look. The taskbar has a cleaner look. Windows 10 has fewer hardware requirements. Windows 11 requires TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot. Windows 10 receives support until October 2025. Windows 11 is the latest Windows version. Snap features are basic. Snap layouts make multitasking easier. Microsoft Teams is not built in. Microsoft Teams is integrated. Updates are generally larger. Updates are usually smaller and faster. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Learning Platform.